Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Before I do forget, shout out to Chris, who we just met in town, staying in apartments called Sunset Drive, I think they're called. The sale apartments opposite the Benidorm Swans down on Ponente Seafront. So yeah, pleasure meeting you, Chris. Enjoy your holiday. So across from Olche Park, there's Mike. You got this road. I literally have no clue what the road's called, but yeah, this is the road we're heading up. Just to start, show you to your way.
117, that's pretty
117, need bad that. Right, gonna head up this road here then. The road from Olche Park. Now, I may be crossing over in a minute because there are some shops on here. I want to sort of have a nose in the window, see what they've got in. Because I've decided it's time to upgrade, but gonna try get a PS5. Gonna try get one in Benidorm so we don't have to go like Carrefour. Hotel Forimar Barda. Now, yeah, but I'll tell you something, we've never actually stayed in the Forimar Hotel. We only did get in there because of the sort of filming, like extra stuff like that. Very nice hotel, great restaurant as well. Fair few lunch breaks we had on the extra we're sort of spent in that restaurant. They just sort of said, well, look, whatever's left, help yourself. Are they? Yeah, gonna cross over here, seems like the road's shut off up here. You can get up both ways, but yeah. For instance, their oldest bar in Benidorm, supposedly. Thing is, I mean, you can say that about anywhere, to be honest. But unless there's actual proof, then not. Is it really believable? I mean, look at Matt Mike. He's an old sod. So he could say he was the first YouTuber in Benidorm. No proof, but he can say it. Like, I'm trying to work out what's going on here. Like, where's everything going? Do I just try to go forward? Jesus. I think the road's closed and well, there's a bus coming down as well, so that's going to be quite interesting having a go down that side road for him. Oh. I mean, don't get me wrong, Benidorm bus drivers, they're good drivers, ain't they? Some of them. But they do tend to get a bit peed off easily. So yeah. Yeah, rest of them's mad. Yeah, he's having to go down that side road. Oh God. I'll take to be on that bus. Anyway, carrying on up this road here. Oh. Le Fredtano Pizza. I think it's this place here, guys. La Fratello Pizza. Making me hungry, that. Yeah, I've heard that. That is meant to be quite a nice place. Yeah, just so much up here, really. Think there is like a big sort of Wastro type charity shop stroke antique shop just down there. Yeah, bit of a weird place that. Think we went in round about before Christmas last year and walked out. You got your laundrettes there. Becoming quite popular in Benidorm. Your laundrettes actually popping up everywhere. Okay, so I'm going to be crossing over now because 31 degrees. Wow, I've seen a shop I want to have a look in, see if they've got what I'm after. They've got controllers, headphones, controllers, speakers, tablets. That's it. Is however a big electrical shop next door. Okay, that's a note. What I'll do is I'll have a look in Miller's electrical shop up here, where I originally got me PS4 from, then cross over back to the right side of the road. Okay, weird, seems like the police officer's got a bit lost. Maybe he's going up to like tell people about like the road being shut down bottom or something. Oh, lost the enter. Lots of nice hotels around this area as well. Montesol Hotel, you've got this one here. Terramar Hotel, Miller's there in the. Actually, can't see anything. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Vending machine there, looking rather empty. That actually. Then I think I will cross over again to have a look at that shop there. I'm sure they may do them, I generally don't know. Something new as well, Clinica Bavaria. A bit of a weird place to have a clinic, but I hope Benidorm's a weird place. Oh. Okay, seems like they're gone. Wow. I mean, I haven't been up here for a while. And yeah, it does seem like they're gone. Okay, so. Anyway. Hope you enjoyed me little sort of walk up the road opposite Olchai Park. I am hopefully gonna get someone come on the comment section and say, Marcus, this is the name of that road, hopefully. Anyway guys, hit the like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.